how I recreated this shot. Today we're going to be recreating this shot, and today's a fun one, so let's get right to it. So as you can see for this one, it is an overhead shot of the bed, but the hard part about this is going to be getting the camera directly over the bed, and that's something we're going to do towards the end. But the first thing we're going to do is get our light into place. We have our 150C again, and what we're going to do is take our spotlight attachment, put that on, and then we're going to take this little lines cut out, we're going to throw that in, and we're going to put it right here for now. We have our main light into place, so now we're going to go ahead and shut off all the lights. Okay, now we have all the lights into place, and now I'm going to go ahead and get the camera in, which is the fun part. As you can see, this is a little crazy. Now we raise it up. All right, here we have something that's pretty close, minus the overhead light, but we still have some work to do. I'm not a huge fan of how the cutout is looking on the bed right now, so I'm going to try to find something a little bit better. All right, I have about 4 of these cutouts I'm going to try. 2 of them are a little bit closer to how they look in the still. 2 of them are kind of, this one is like bushes and stuff, if you can see that, and this one's like lightning. And if I can't get it to look exactly, I might just do my own thing. Honestly, on first attempt, this one looks pretty close, so I'm happy with that. I'm gonna just keep that. Okay, so this light is looking a lot better. So what I'm gonna do now is tweak the color of the light and see if I can get it as close as possible. Okay, so that light's looking a whole lot better. The next thing we need to do is fill up this dark side a little bit because it's looking a little bit too dark. Similarly with this, we're going to take this light and we're going to add a little bit of light on the other side to make the bright side just a little bit brighter. All right, this is about as close as I think we're going to get, so let's take a look at what we got. First thing we have is this light going through the diffusion. It is just with some little metal lampshade. It's an amaranth bulb. We have our camera up there on the C-stand, if you can see it, way up in the sky. And then we have our aperture MC filling in a little bit of light over here, and then making all of this light. We have our 150C here put in like the door of my attic. It's the only spot I could get it to actually do what I want it to. Okay, now let's go ahead and see what it looks like.